Now, actor turned politician Mithun Chakrabarti has taken a swipe at the Trinamool Congress. Speaking at an party event, the actor turned BJP leader urged the Hindu community in West Bengal to actively engage in the electoral process, stressing the importance of voting in the upcoming state elections. He also said the recent spate of attacks on minorities in Bangladesh is something that will happen in the state of West Bengal also. Mithun also went on to say BJP must win the 2026 Bengal elections or Bengali Hindus will be eliminated from the state under the TMC rule. He further stated Bengal must take a lesson from Bangladesh, urging Hindus to cast their votes solely in favour of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Now, Mithun's remarks come at a time when Bangladesh has witnessed a disturbing rise of anti-Hindu violence following the political coup that ousted Sheikh Hasina. The situation worsened with the arrest of ISKCON priest Chinmay Das, highlighting the growing risk for the Hindu community in the region.
বাংলাদেশ তার ক্রীড়া দেখিয়ে দিয়েছে যদি না জিততে পারেন তাহলে পশ্চিমবাংলা থেকে হিন্দু বাঙালি বলে কেউ থাকবে না।